What are you doing, Erin?
We stocking Lucy.
Organizing, yes. Cleaning.
Choose the presentation. It's
oh yeah, we're a hot mess. And we've been sick.
Yes. We always have great timing when it comes to ailments, but hey, we roll with it. We're excited to head to our next destination before our final destination for a while anyway.
Okay, just tell them what we're doing.
Okay, so we are headed from our parents' house in Punta Gorda. We're going to, don't even know how to pronounce it, a spring in northern Florida, the Panhandle.
Yeah.
You want to give it a try?
Nope.
Well, Kim will put it in right now. The name of the spring that we're going to.
Ichetucknee, something like that. I don't know, some another spring.
We're going to camp there for a couple nights, and then we're headed to Helen, Georgia, which is like a Bavarian town in Georgia, which I've wanted to go to for the last few years. So we're going to stop there for a few nights, and then headed to Tennessee. So stay tuned. This is our first kind of like real RV short stay trip that we are doing, besides when we went to Disney World, which we never filmed that, but this was years ago. But yeah, so we're excited. We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
ERVTV, K&E ERVTV, sing it with us. ERVTV.
So, living in an RV full-time, you're constantly reorganizing and using your space to your best advantage. And sometimes, certain times of the year, I have certain stuff I use more, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so since we had to clear everything out, I'm trying to reorganize again.
Yeah, so the RV was in the shop for like 2 weeks, so we took all of our food out and like a lot of our clothes.
Yeah, you kind of have to
and
move
stuff
out.
like that. So, Erin's just been like reorganizing and everything like that.
We did have some ants when we got the RV back, so we're trying to pack those too. So cleaning every shelf, cleaning every cupboard, cleaning every cabinet out, so we can start fresh. We washed everything. Yeah, so it's kind of good. It's like your spring cleaning.
Yeah.
You know, we need it every so often. And we also decided if there's something that we've stored that we have not used in the past year, it's gone. Because you need all your space, all of it. So if something is taking up precious real estate and you're not using it, it gets the chop.
Bye. Daisy May, you gonna come with us? This is my dogs. My dogs. my parents' new dog. She's like 6 months old.
Golden Doodle.
Golden Doodle. And she wants to come live the RV life with us.
She was a little skeptical coming in, but we got her in now. She's okay, let's go.
But she's been playing with Zach and Cody for the past over 2 weeks.
Yeah, they're gonna be sore for a while.
And she is gonna miss them. You gonna miss your boyfriend Cody?
Yeah, she's in love with Cody.
Oh, she is.
I mean, who could blame a girl? But
yeah.
Not in here.
She doesn't want to leave.
She doesn't want to leave the RV.
Let's go.
You gotta go.
Come on, let's go. You like the RV? You want to live here? Bye-bye.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. She's
go.
like, come on, let's go. Nope, she says no.
Daisy wants to stay.
Come on.
You are adorable.
Let's go. Here we go.
So here's Lucy here in my dad's driveway on the west coast of Florida. And she was in the shop for 2 weeks. We didn't have her, but luckily, thanks to my parents, they let us stay here with them while she was in the shop here. We have a nice reliable shop that we found here that we love. So she got an oil change. Her check engine light had come on, so I wanted to check that out, but luckily it was not anything serious. So she is ready for her long drive back to Tennessee.
She could use a bath.
Yeah, if only we had more time, but we don't.
Or energy.
Or energy. And it is so hot. I'm so excited to get to some cooler weather, hopefully.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Yes. It is now time for a sunset boat ride. Since we did all our packing up, we're ready to go. It's our last night, so we're taking all the puppies for a sunset cruise. Ready for a boat ride? So as soon as we went to get on the boat, there was a bird on the boat and it flew away. And then my dad noticed there's little dove eggs inside the binoculars here. How crazy. We don't know if we should touch it. What should we do? I don't know.
We're taking off and she's gonna be like, where are you going?
I know, with my babies. You guys ready for a boat ride? Cody loves the boat. You're gonna look for dolphins? You're gonna find some dolphins, Cody? Yeah. Hopefully we see dolphins. If not, I'll put in some videos on this trip when we did see dolphins. This is the cutest dog in the whole world. Hi, Zachary.
This is little boat hat.
Little boat hat. Okay, bye. See you later. But we've been on this boat a bunch of times with him, and the sun always bothers his eyes, so we got him that cute little hat. And we're off. These dogs are loving it. Hope we get a good sunset. It's coming down. We still got a little more time, but we're gonna be cruising around for a little bit. I really do hope we see some dolphins for Cody's sake. He's constantly hunting them out. He loves to try to find them. I think he might have been a dolphin in his past life.
I agree, 100%. Cody doesn't get excited for anything like he does the dolphins.
We see dolphins already. We just got out the channel. And there's already some right here. There they are. Oh, they're over there. Cody saw them. Cody saw the dolphin. Oh, it's okay, Cody. Cody. Where they are, Cody? They're right out front. There they are. Ooh, there they are, Cody. He sees them. Yeah. We may be running out this storm here. You see that rainbow straight ahead? It's chasing us. The sun's over here. Looks beautiful this way. This way, not so much. We found more dolphins. Straight ahead, hopefully. Come here, Codes. Where is he? Oh, one jumped way over there. We just saw one straight ahead. There he is. They just came up and Zach saw him too. Yeah, you saw him.
Cody, relax.
Zachary saw him. He's barking.
You stay here, Cody.
Where is he?
You saw a dolphin there?
Yeah.
You saw him?
There he is. Oh wow, yeah. Zachary saw him too. I got Cody.
What is all the excitement about?
Wow. Zachary's talking to him.
You saw that dolphin, huh, Zach?
That's so funny. There he is. That's not even his normal bark. Wow. You're so lucky, Cody. No. You gotta stay in the boat. He doesn't even like to swim.
Relax.
Oh, there he is. Oh.
Come here, Smack.
They're so cute.
Come on.
Cody was definitely a dolphin in his past life.
Come here.
There he is.
Cody, relax, baby. Relax, Cody.
This is so cool. This is what I miss about Florida. Gorgeous. Cody sees him back there. Oh my God, kids got a fish on! Is it a monster? Oh, it's a monster.
What is this?
Don't hit me in the face with it.
What is this?
It's a teeny weeny
Snakefish, lizard.
snakefish. It does look like a lizard.
No.
There you go. You see his teeth? It's pretty cool. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your life. Cody, you like that fish that I caught? We were hanging out for the sunset, but not sure if there's going to be a sunset today or how good it's going to be. There was bad weather over there. Really bad weather over there. But we'll see. Zachary's having a good time at least, huh? I don't know if the sunset's happening. We're gonna have to outrun the storm. I'm worried about my baby who's afraid of lightning, and there's lightning everywhere. Look over here. Oh, he's not looking good. I feel like we're in a movie. We're chasing away from the storm. We're running away from the storm. The sunset, it wasn't much. Cody's enjoying the breeze though. What you making us, Aaron?
Some imitation crab pasta salad. With some Easter pasta I found at Aldi for 40 cents. And some imitation crab meat, that was $2. And some tomatoes.
We're living on a budget.
Italian dressing.
Aldi's.
My favorite marinade.
We did our last shopping trip at Aldi's.
I'm gonna put a ranch packet and some feta cheese.
Ta-da. Yeah, we did our last Aldi's shopping trip before we leave here because there's no Aldi's in Tennessee.
There sure isn't.
I don't know the last thing you saw on the boat, but we had to run from the rain.
Yeah. It's kind of exciting.
It was kind of fun. But yeah, since we're traveling for the week, we wanted to have something that was made easy. When I scream that I'm hungry, Eric can just be like, here's some pasta salad.
Because after setting up and everything, the last thing I want to do is whip out and have to cook and then clean the dishes and all those things. So I like to have something just ready.
So it's the next day. Lucy's all packed up. We're about ready to head out. Everything is travel ready. Cabinet's locked up. Bunch of stuff back there in the bedroom. All of our crap all here. Cab is ready to go up there and we're ready to roll. So this is where we'll be going. About almost a 4-hour drive to Ichetucknee Springs State Park in like northern Florida. And we're super excited. I know the video you probably see before this one was at a spring, and we loved it so much that we wanted to hit another spring before we headed out of Florida. So hope you guys enjoy it too. And we're off. Say bye, Punta Gorda, Cody. Did you have fun while you were here? He did. He had so much fun. But we are off. Just gotta get gas first, which it's never fun in an RV. Well, this is what North Florida looks like. Nothing like the South Florida that we're used to, but Cody's been a good boy. Right, Cody? Having fun? We're about 40 minutes away from our destination. It's been a good drive so far. Nothing wrong. Gas was expensive. When we first got Lucy, gas was like $2 a gallon. And now it's $4 a gallon. So she costs about 200 bucks to fill up, which is not fun, but she's only at about 41,200 miles right now. So she's a 99, but luckily she's got low miles.